So today we're going to learn how to build a gaming PC. For this PC I've chosen Phantom 530 because it's large and you've got a lot of options on it. I've got Intel 4670K, which is good for overclocking. I've got a normal CD drive. I didn't want to invest a lot on it. I've got the CX750 from Corsair for the power supply. I've got a French keyboard. I know it's AZERTY, but I know it like that, so it's quite good. So K310. It's really good because it's waterproof, so if you put stuff on it you can easily clean it, which is quite practical. The graphic card, I've got the GeForce GTX 770 Direct CU 2OC, very long name, 2GB. Really good graphic card. I already have some players that I already tested it and they say it was fantastic. As a screen, I've got this one. It's not in this box, but you will see it later. Acer Mercury LED, yeah, 24-inch, which is quite good. I will invest later in a better screen, but this one is really good. I'd say. Yeah, as a motherboard, I've got Z87 Vengeance Corsair 8GB, which is enough for gaming. I also have an SSD Samsung solid state drive 840 128GB. I will run the system on it, so I've got something quite reactive. For my movies and everything on the side, I've got a Seagate Barracuda 2000GB, be enough for me. And to cool down everything, because there's two fans coming with the box, but it's not enough. So I've got the water cooling for seidon 240M. It's quite a big water cooling, takes quite a lot of place. So that's another reason why I've chosen the Phantom 530. With this I've got some accessories I've wanted, some lights, red lights, and some glue, and really small mouse. I didn't want something important. Yes, and I also have this. I know it's an accessory, we don't really need it, but I wanted to play safety on this one, so I bought one. It's not really expensive, about £1, and with £2 postage on Amazon. So basically I bought everything here on Amazon for about 1.3k. I've got games with it, so it'd be a lot less. I mean, if you want to build it, it will probably cost you less because there's some stuff. You can see I've cleared a bit the table. Now we're going to see and open the box. So first you need to unscrew here. Be very careful with this, because you can easily lose it. Put it in a safe place. Okay, so you take it off and you put it in a safe place on the side, because you can easily put it, can easily fall on the floor. Okay, so here you've got all the accessories and everything you need to pretty much build it. So you do the same thing with the other side. Let's see, it takes more time. Okay, side, you can open it like that. Okay, so then here, put the side here, just here, put it. And in this box you've got everything you need to build a computer. Little bag. There's a lot of them. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened everything and I've installed the power supply. So basically, you just have four screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, easy to install. When this box arrived, it had a lot of screws. I've got a plate here. For the power supply, the screws you need is the BM632 UNC L5mm. So there's one. Okay. So yeah, you install the power supply first, because after you install the motherboard, and you want to be sure not to damage the motherboard. That's why you don't put the motherboard first and after the power supply. So the next thing we're going to do is clear a bit the box, because when we're going to install the component, we don't want to have like mess in it. So we've got space here to clear everything. So we're going to put everything like through here or through here. You've got choice, honestly. I mean, it depends on your configuration. So the next step we're going to do, careful of the cables here, is install the CD drive. So here, got this one from Samsung, cost me about £17. I didn't want anything too powerful or too special, so yeah, took a normal one. So basically we open here, and then I'm going to put myself on the side so it's easier to see. Careful with the cables. Okay, so here we clear the one we want. For me personally, I want the middle one. Take this off. Okay, put it on the side, be careful you don't walk on it. Put it here. Okay, then you open here. Other side. Okay, open here, make sure it's open. Make sure it's, yeah, on the other side. Put it on the right side, the other side, to the right. Okay, put it at the right level. For me it's fine with that. Block it so it doesn't go out. We don't need this anymore. Okay. Okay, next we're going to install the Barracuda Seagate 2000 GB. You choose the place you want it to be. Personally, because I've got water cooling, I'm going to put it here in the middle. Okay, so you basically don't put the screw immediately, leave it like that. Personally, I'm going to put it in the middle so you get some air, cool down a bit, and then we're going to this box. Okay, here, and we're going to install the 2 screws here on the side, and put it with the mechanical disc here, all here. You've got not here, all here, or you can put it behind. So basically, if you put it here, same system, put it here, you put the screw, put it back. Okay, that's not how I'm going to do. I'm going to put it here. So you unscrew it here. Okay. I've got it. Be careful with this. Put it in the glass. The other ones, because you can use it easily. Put that off, up. Yeah, got it. It was a bit hard. Okay, so and you put it on it, and you put the screws. So as you can see, I've put the screws. So there's 4 behind it. One here, one here, one here, one here. It's behind. You can't see it. And after you just clip it back and put the main one to make sure it stays here. Okay, so the next step is we're going to take the motherboard and put the CPU in it. and the RAM. Okay, so as I said previously, I've got water cooling, so I won't need the fans that comes with the CPU. So when you take out the box, be careful, you need to put it on the packaging and to touch something metallic, yes, for safety. The CPU, you need to be careful to put in the right side. So the white thing on the side, it needs to go this way, outside from the. Then you place it. Okay, when it's on, you just shut it, and this thing is supposed to go out. See, it goes normally. Okay, so you need to keep this. If you don't, if you've got a problem with the motherboard, you need to keep it, because if you send it back to where you bought it from, and you don't have this on the top, the warranty won't work. Okay, so now we're going to install the RAM. I've got 8 GB Vengeance. Need to put it to open here. We're going to put it here and here. So we open both of them. You need to be careful that the short goes here and the long goes here. So we put it goes here. Okay. So as you can see, I've installed the motherboard. I didn't think it was really important to tell you how to do it. Basically, we've got some screws around here. Yes, so the motherboard is now installed. We've got the CPU here, the RAM, and we're going to install the water cooling. Okay, so now we're going to put the water cooling. So you have to take the top and the side off. I already did it now, I did it before. You just have to follow the manual, which basically says that, it's on the box. So simply this thing goes down and this thing goes here. So you have to press it a bit because it doesn't go automatically. So we're going to install the water cooling. So basically you put the two fans on the top with the silicone between it. You don't have to screw it. I've put the screws in it to be ready when I'm going to put this under it. Okay, so it basically comes with some glue when I bought it, the water cooling. But I bought another one, the MX4 from Arctic. So yeah, basically you take this and you put it behind it. One, two, and you go like that for all of them. Okay, so when you screwed all of them, you can check them with this piece, which basically goes like that, and you make sure it's what put in. Don't screw it too much, because it's stupid to break the motherboard too much. Done. Okay, so now we're going to put the glue here and take this here. So basically here, to fit it, you can just pull it here and you can move it like you need it. Okay, so here I think it's in good position. Okay, so make it ready, face. Okay. Put it back. We actually don't need a lot. Okay. So put it. So I'm going to put it like that. So I need to put it like that. So we height a bit here. Screw it. Okay, so I've got two first ones. Screw it. Bit here. Bit here. But not too much because you don't want to break the motherboard. Okay. You will feel something when you got the maximum. Good. Okay. Now we're going to put it the fan. Just basically that. And we're going to screw it on the top. Some screws here, 8 of them. So here you can see that I've installed the water cooling. Basically you have to put it in two parts. There's one part that goes in the case and the other part goes outside the case. At this point we're going to organize a bit the cables so everything looks clean, and you can see here that we have cable attachment behind the sum as well. We've jumped one part, which is plugging every component inside, but it really depends on which computer and motherboard you've got. I skipped this part as well because you need to check the manual that goes with the motherboard, because there's a lot of plugins and it changes places. There's a lot of places that looks really similar. So now we're going to install the graphic card. I've got a GeForce GTX 770 direct CU to OC from Asus. Okay. So now we're going to install the graphic card. What you need is a screwdriver and of course a graphic card. We're going to take off the slots here. Here you can probably see it now. The one you need. So the one we're going to do is this one, because it's 1, 2, 3 and we put it in the order. So you take off those. Okay, you might need a screwdriver. Okay. Take this other one. There. Okay. What you don't need, which is the screws and the slots, you put it on the side in a glass so you don't lose it. Okay, so the graphic card, you take off the protections. This one you can leave it, we will take it off when it's been installed. Don't do this, don't do this. Take off the film. Okay. Here's a click, it's quite good. Put some on the side. Okay. So as you can see, the video quality just got down. It's normal. It's because I had a problem with my camera and I'm trying to I found another one. It's just for the last minute. So as you can see, we've installed the graphic cards, and I've also installed that's just personal some light on the top. You can see it here and on top here. Okay guys, so now we're going to set up and light the computer up. So don't forget to plug the keyboard, the mouse, the VGA cable or the HDMI. Personally I've got both, and here as you can see got nice light effects. They look better in dark of course, but so it's waking up. So basically I've already done it, but I'm going to explain quickly. So you need your operating system, which mine is here. So I've got Windows 7 Ultimate. You basically put it in the CD drive and then it's automatic. You select the drive you want it to be on. So because I had the mechanical drive and I had also SSD, you put it on the one you want. I've put it on the SSD because I wanted a quick operating system. So after you set it up, it's quite quick, easy. After you install some CDs that come with it, for example, this one or this one. I've got a lot of them actually. Got this one, the motherboard, which is quite important. This one, and the DVD writer, not really important, but yeah. One thing you have to be careful of, you need to update your BIOS, which is on Asus. You will find a link just below this video. As you can see here, we've got a speed fan 4.49. I use it to check the temperature. So basically the HD0 is 21 degrees, HD1 18 degrees, temp 1 28 degrees, temp 2 30 degrees, core 0 29, core 1 27, core 2 27, core 3 27. So basically everything's really cool. And all the fans here are on minimum, they're on silent, and we can't really hear them. On maximum, that's medium speed for the fans, and that's maximum. So basically you can go lower, but I put the fan on minimum because I don't want to have any sounds. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more, subscribe and like and comment and share on Facebook or Twitter or anything you want. Okay guys, see ya!